Welcome to Zape Learning app.
Hi little stars. Today, we will play with numbers. We will use a special chart, a number chart. Let's see how numbers come one after another. Ready? Let's go. Look here, we start with number 1. Then comes 2, 3, 4, and 5. Numbers keep going up by 1. Let's try from 21, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Each number is just one more than the one before. Let's look at a row. It grows like this. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Now look at a column. 21, 31, 41. They go up by 10. Rows go across. Columns go down. Each row goes up by 1. Each column goes up by 10. Now let's play. Some numbers are missing. Can you find the right ones? Let's try 22. Does it go after 21? Yes. Great job. Let's check the answers. Yay! You filled the chart. You're amazing. Let's try a fun way to count. Skip counting. We'll count by 5s now. Watch. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Every jump goes 5 more. That's called skip counting. Skip counting helps us find patterns in numbers. Let's look at the chart again. Can you see patterns? Numbers follow special paths. They make rows, columns, and fun patterns. You can find them with your eyes. Let's remember what we learned today. Numbers go in order. Rows go across, up by 1. Columns go down, up by 10. We can skip count and find number patterns. You did so well today. Keep exploring numbers at home or in class. See you next time, Number Star.
Smarter learning starts today. Download and subscribe to Zape Learning app now.